Greetings, YouTube watchers. I'm back with lesson 9.7 in the Go Math book, and this lesson deals with comparing decimals. And we compare decimals the same way that we compare regular numbers. The best way will be to put one number right under the other one. Start looking at the numbers from left to right. And what left to right? Well, if you look at the left first, look at this. 9 is bigger than 3, but is 49 bigger than 83? No, definitely no. Always look at your left first. That's the biggest place value. So you can cover the other numbers and think, okay, which number is bigger, 4 or 8? And obviously 8 is bigger, so that's going to be my biggest number. And isn't it 83 bigger than 49? Yes, it is. So always put your numbers one on top of the other ones and align your ones with your ones, tens with your tens, and so on. So we have decimals. Let's put them one on top of the other one. And I'm going to put it in the place value chart just so you can see it a little bit better. So I place my numbers right here. And let's see, if I start from left to right, 0 and 0, they're both equal. So I need to go to the next place value. 2 and 0, which was bigger? The 2 is bigger. That means 2 tenths is greater than 9 hundredths. Remember, always look at the place value. In this case, you will align your decimal points. Because I know 9 is bigger than 2, but the 9 is in the hundredths place, while the 2 is in the tenths place, so the 2 is bigger than the other one. Let's look at another example. 11 hundredths and 5 tenths. Take your numbers and put them one on top of the other one. And is this correct? No, it is not. When you are working with decimals, make sure your decimal points are aligned. That's the best way to align decimal numbers, that your decimal points are one top of the other one. Then we start looking from left to right. Start right here. 0 and 0, which one's bigger? They are the same. That means we go to the next place value. Now 1 and 5, which one's bigger? The 5 is bigger than the 1. Hopefully you remember that in case you are not sure, you can write it also as equivalent decimals. That means you can write a 0 in here just to make it equal, and then maybe it's much easier to see that 50 hundredths is bigger than 11 hundredths. So we know that this one's bigger. The sign will be less than. 11 hundredths is less than 5 tenths. Let's do, oh, what do we have? We have the homework here. And do you see that thing flying out? Well, that's going to be your little homework, extra homework for extra credit. If you can tell me the amount of money that was in that picture, I'll give you some extra credit. In the meantime, the homework for you will be to compare these decimals. You can write less than, greater than, or equal to find which one is bigger. Until next time, thank you for watching, YouTubers. See you. Bye-bye.